Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, back again with another interesting dish. Today we are going to cook a fish dish that is stuffed squids. The squids, I'm going to stuff them with squids tentacle chili fry with Racheado Massala. So watch this video till the end to learn how to make squids chili fry stuffed. And do like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies. Now here I have squids and I have cleaned them and I have kept the squid tentacles aside. Now the squids, I'll put them in the bowl and season them with 1 teaspoon of salt and keep them aside for half an hour. Till then, let's cut the squid tentacles. As you can see, I have cut and thrown out the eyes, only the tentacles I'm using. Chop them so that they get cooked well and becomes easy to stuff in the squids. I'm showing you, just roughly chop them. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do like, share and do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, add 1 large chopped onion and saute till golden. Now watch this video till the end, so because I'm going to tell you important tips in making this delicious recipe. Add the chopped squids tentacles to the sauteed onion and stir them well till they start sweating or oozing out their water. At this time, add a handful of different type of vegetables. I have added here potatoes, green peas, carrot, capsicum. I had yellow capsicum also, so I'm adding that as well, and a handful of finely chopped cauliflower and handful of onion springs. Saute all these well on medium flame and let them sweat and get cooked in their own water. You can see they have started to ooze out the water. At this time, add salt to it as required. Mix them well and cook them on medium flame. See, I have not added any water. They are sweating and releasing their own water and getting cooked in it. Just checking. They should not be overcooked, just 50% cooked. The remaining they will cook as we add the masala and stuff them. Here I have my matured Racheado Massala. Add about 2 serving spoons of it to this mixture of vegetable and squid's tentacles. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Cook it for about 5 minutes till the Racheado Massala caramelizes. It's already done. Kind of turn off the flame and let the mixture cool. Now if you cook it to 100%, then you can use this mixture as a dish itself, as squid tentacles fry. Just stuff it as I am showing it to you. Hold the squids in your hand like this and with a teaspoon you can just stuff it. You can use your fingers also to stuff it and push down so that till the bottom of the squid it gets filled in. And then secure the mouth of the squid with a toothpick. Tentacle chili fry stuffing is my choice. You can stuff the squids with the filling of your choice. Some even like it with prawns chili fry stuffing. Fill in all your squids likewise. Push it in. These squids taste so delicious and so tempting once they are cooked. Please do try this recipe at home and enjoy with your family. And friends, if you have not subscribed to Melita's Delicacy as yet, please do like, share and subscribe, because a lot more interesting recipes coming in Melita's Delicacies. And don't forget to press the bell button for notification of my new videos that are being uploaded every week. And do watch my shorts as well in Melita's Delicacies. I'll fill in all the squids likewise. We need to cook the tentacles and the vegetable mixture halfway, as if you stuff it raw, they might remain undercooked inside. And if you cook them, the squids, for a longer time, the squids themselves become chewy. So it is better to cook them half the way, the filling, and then stuff. My all squids are stuffed in. Now let's get on to the next step. In the same pan, add oil to it and place your squids as I'm showing, and cook them on medium flame, low to medium flame in fact, for about 5 minutes on one side. As I do not want to use more of oil, I close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes, and then they start oozing out this water, but I'm sure that they are cooked. And then I turn them the other side and cook it for another 3-4 minutes, and then I let it be open, and the squids, the Racheado Massala, that water that has oozed out from the squids, I let it caramelize a little bit and become nice thick like a sauce, and then I turn off the flame and let it cool down. See, once it is cooled down, they look so appetizing and delicious. Friends, I'm sure by now your mouth is watering just looking at this stuffed squids. So please do try this recipe at home and enjoy, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Melita's Delicacies for more interesting videos. Do watch my shorts as well, and watch the playlist at the end of the video. And thank you for watching till the end, and God bless. Happy cooking. Keep watching Melita's Delicacy.